Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing another video called just like a rainy morning. Don't pretend this is like rainy, like up the upstairs, since the rainy thing is downstairs. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. It's morning. It's raining again. It's rained like 6 times this week, but I guess we'll have to deal with it. I'll wear this since it's cozy, yeah, and it's pretty cute. Oops. Oh right, I forgot to pick up the markers, my alcohol markers. Okay, I guess I'll do my makeup. It's rainy, like really rainy. So, I guess let's do it. Okay, I could do it like, oops, let me eat my phone. I could do it like in the bathroom since it has mirror. Okay, put that on. Put some lipstick. Let's see what I have. Just put that on. I don't have a brush for some reason. Put that on. Put some setting spray to do that in. Put it in or whatever. And yeah, that's my makeup routine. So I don't put a lot of makeup. Like I only do like this with my blush, my setting spray, that's it. Since I don't have a lot of skincare products, but anyways, I'm going to take a shower. Where's my towel? I'm so sorry, guys. No, I'll just get the pink one. Okay, I got my towel. I'm just gonna go and put it on. And put that there. Hold up. Get my soap first so I don't forget it. Okay, wait. Let me get just do that. Okay, now just gonna go and put that inside up there, and yeah, I guess like I'm gonna go and watch my iPad downstairs since I have nothing else to do. Actually, I'll just wait for Mom. Just sitting here. Sissy didn't wake us up. Got to be joking. And it's raining. It's literally raining. What are we gonna do? Like, there's nothing to do when it's rainy. Yeah, like at least we play chalk outside when it's sunny. Yeah. Well, we can't play with our slots. Yeah, but that's boring. Well, that's the only thing that we could do. Like I have an iPad that I got for my birthday, but like we have nothing to do. Yeah, unless we color or something like that. Well, I don't want to color, but first now I have to take a shower. You could go first. I'm coloring. Okay then. Wait, let me go and get my towel. So, yeah. Okay, just gotta wear this. And I don't have any other clothes. Like, I just have this one. Since I just resetted mine, so. I don't use this one since it kind of smells weird. Sissy uses it though. I will use this of rose. So when it smells like roses, put this on. Okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna tell Mommy. Alright, it's rainy. Well, that means we can't get any new outfits. It's your turn. Oh, I don't even want to, but I have to since Mom says, Mom, what? Okay, Mom says, I use this one. This uses that one for some reason. Like, everyone uses a different one for some reason. Since it's I use it since it's yellow. I don't care about the smell. Oops. My clothes got a little wet. It's fine. It's just a little wet. It'll dry up. I'll wear that after. Refreshing. Okay, I'm done. Now put that there and get my. Oops. I'll just put that into there. And put that there. Okay, I'm done. I think Sissy's in the elevator. Do you want to go? Sure. Wait, I have to go and grab my slot. Same here. Mommy's gonna wake up. Why are you still in the elevator? I don't know. Well, I'm sitting here. I'm sitting over here. Alright, Sophie! Oreo! And credits to Chocolate Alice for Oreo's name. Go eat up. Okay, anyways, let's go. Hey, this is my iPad. I'm playing on it. Hey! Oh, that's yours. Mommy's money is here. Mommy has a lot of money. But if I steal it, she'll seize me, so I better not steal anything. And why would I need money? Oh, wait, hold up. It's raining, so I can't do anything. Like, everything is suddenly so boring. Well, I cannot tell Mommy to go and... Ooh, wait, lemonade. Yummy. I'm gonna go and... Okay, press start. Hey, I'm in the same game as you. Okay, let's press it. Hey, are you literally playing against me? Yes! But you're beating me! Ugh. What? You're beating me! Ugh. Did I get the high score? Did I get the high score? Yes, I did! But I got a higher score than you. Let's go and play another game. Ooh, this one. I'm beating you again. No, you're not. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, why are you beating me? Haha. That's called being a material girl. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. I'm playing this game now. Okay. I'm done playing this game. I want to watch some YouTube. Pretend that was YouTube. Meanwhile, upstairs. He's literally still sleeping. What a sleepyhead. Wait, is the kid still up already? Yeah, they're both up. They don't usually get up this often. Oh, right, it's rainy. Yeah. Because I checked on the weather. So okay, they're both awake. Like, guys, what you doing? I'm just sipping some lemonade. And we're both playing on our iPads. Of course you are. Let's see what we have. Okay, can I click these? Okay, I'm just gonna go. I don't have a pen. I'll just do that. Okay, and I also have some. I can make some chicken legs. Okay. Let's go and cook these. I forgot that. Okay. Get a sip. Okay. Anyways, now I have to cut it. How do I? I don't have a fork. Sorry, no. Knife. I'll just. Wait, I have to find a knife. Okay, I found a knife. Oh, this is not the same. Well, I'll eat if we're eating patties. Or breakfast, I guess. I'm eating patties since I didn't get the I didn't think it was chicken. Oh my god. Okay. This will be awkward eating patties. Well, at least I didn't mess up on that. Like, why would we want to eat patties? Okay, I guess it's over. Just sleep patty on. Well, I could make like hamburgers. Yeah, let's go make some hamburgers since I don't want them eaten like just crabby, like not crabbies, patties. So I'll have to make them crabby patties. Oh, I think I got way too much. Yeah, I just need 3. Just 3. Okay. Now I'm just gonna make a hamburger. Okay, now I feel less weird. Just have the final sip. Okay, anyways. Put that there, and right, my collection of milk. So, yeah. Guys, what milk do you want today? I want chocolate. I want strawberry. I want soy. Okay. Soy. I don't know. Maybe this. Yeah. Chocolate. Strawberry. And then, oops. Not enough cups. get these cups, I guess. Okay. And I'll get like, I'll get water. Hold up, I already have water, so put that there. And I guess, actually wait, hold up, I'll eat tomato. Wait, hold up. Me and Jackson are gonna eat what is it called? Tomato fizz, yeah. Oh my god, what happened to the tomato fizz? Okay. Honey, come on. Now we have to get out of bed. Oh god. Yes, honey. Come and eat food. These are yours, thanks. Okay, guys, come and eat your food. It's mine. This is mine. Okay. Oh, I want the chocolate milk. Oops, I have a toy in my hand. I am coming. Guess what? Okay, that's mine. Yours has strawberry milk. You know what? I'm just sitting here. So good. Mom, how did you learn how to make this? Well, special ingredients. Best hot dog ever. Like a hot dog sandwich or whatever. Wait, let me eat my hamburger. That was the best thing ever, including the chocolate milk, my strawberry milk, of course. Sophie and Oreo over there having a full-time feast. Yeah. Yeah, the hamburgers are pretty good with the tomato hot fizz. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Mom, that's the best. Wait, let me go and clear your palace or whatever. Clear your palace. Okay. Thanks, honey. You're welcome. Oops. Ooh, I could just put the. Oops. I can't put this on top of my head? Hold up. I can put everything on top of my head. This is impossible. Okay, never mind. Is it still raining? I'm gonna go and check. You got spray joker. Oops, I have to have a umbrella. Yeah, it's still raining. Mom, it's still raining. Well, I wanted to surprise you by taking you all to the amusement park. But it's raining. But we could still go. I talked to the manager. I have talked to the owner of it. And they said we could still go. Really? Yay, thank you so much, Mom. Let's go now. Yes. Right, but we have to take the umbrella. I'll give you all an umbrella so you could keep, well, yeah. Let's go, guys. I'm just gonna take the keys. Since, yeah. Yay, let's go. Beep, beep. Let's go. It's so rainy. Yeah, what are we gonna go with? Yeah, we're gonna go, pretend the umbrella was still on. Just pretend it was in the bag. We're gonna go, wait, never mind actually. We're gonna go on our bicycles since we have no car, since the car doesn't have any gas. Okay, but we don't have enough, like, bicycles. Well, I got some more, so, yeah. So, you go on that one. Okay, cool. You go on that one. You go on that one, and I'll go on this one. Everyone follow me. I know where it is. Wait. Right, it might not be raining. Hold up, I have to go and get the raining things so it rains. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm literally so sorry. I think that rains. I don't know. Okay, first, wait, hold up. I have to get the raining thing. Since if I don't get it, then I can't, like... Wait, hold up. Is someone holding it? Yes, yeah, she's holding it. Okay, let's go, guys! Why is this so rainy? I don't know. It's so rainy. Yeah. Get this thing out of her hand. It's so rainy. Yeah, let's go. We're just sitting here. Yeah. Okay, let's just, can you move your wheelchairs or whatever? Sure. So, this could be a parking for our thing, like, for our bikes. Okay, pretend she wasn't holding it. Let's go. Over here. Hi. Hello. I would like to purchase tickets. Yes, how many? 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're already sold out of tickets since you bought all of them. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Just pretend she paid. Okay, okay, bye. Bye. Oh my god, I just realized the more you, like... Okay. Mom, can I get popcorn? Sure. I don't want, since, like, guys, I'm on a diet. Well, we're not. Mom, can we get some like that, those cloudy burgers? Sure, just sit down. Let's put this inside of here, since, like, it's not raining inside of here. Hi, hello, can I get 2 of those cloudy burgers? Sure. It comes with a side of popcorn, so yeah. Okay, here you go. She already paid. Okay, thank you. Bye. Goodbye. Yummy. That was the best thing ever. Okay, anyways, let's go. And go to the right, I guess. Ooh, I could just go on your umbrella. Mom, oops. I want to go on this. We'll go and do it after. Okay. Okay, let's go and like, play. I wanna win. No, I wanna win. I won. Oh. Don't cry. It's fine. I'm gonna get this. Let's play. Hey. Okay, let's go and reset it. What? You won. Is it fun for you? Yeah. Like, it was just a prize. Okay, then. I'll get this one. Guys, we'll put it in your... Okay. Anyways, let's go on this ride. Yeah, but no one's here. Someone's gonna come, I probably think. Any second now. Oh, right, the ride. Probably someone on it. Oh, hello. Would you like to go on this ride? Yes, please go on a line, please. Because I don't want anyone bumping into each other. Anyways, you have to be this much to go. Sorry, no. This much. You're good. By the way, you can't go on one alone, so you'll have to go with someone. I'm good. I'm fine. 2 in each one, so you'll have to wait till other people go on it. I'm going on this one. Okay, you're fine as well. Some other people come. Oh, right, I really wanted to go on this ride. Well, let's go then. They already bought tickets. Hello, we would like to go on this ride. Okay, let me go measure your height. Yeah, you're perfectly fine to go. And you? Yep, you're perfectly fine. Now, we have to wait till 2 more people come. Oh, I really wanted to go on this ride. Okay, but first we have to pay for tickets. Pretend there was tickets. Pretend these were tickets. Okay, here's your extra tickets. Okay, now. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, could we get like 2 cotton candies? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. That was the best thing ever. Yeah. Hey, we would like to go on this ride. Sure, but can I see your tickets? Okay. Now, check your height. Yeah, you're perfectly fine to go. And you're perfectly fine. Why is this taking so long, Mommy? Well, other people have to board. Okay, we're all full of passengers. Now we can start the ride. We're gonna start it off nice, real slow. Why is it so slow, Mommy? Well, it's the start of the ride. And it's gonna progressively getting faster. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! 12 minutes later. That was so much fun. Hey, my bestie, is that you? Yeah, that's me. Eek! I can't believe you're in the amusement park at the same time as us. Yeah. Okay, anyways, we have to go. Bye. Bye. We're gonna get more clothes. Hi, can we get more of those cotton candies? Sure. You know what? I'm gonna get you extra cotton candy so you never come back. Here. Yum. Here. So you never come back here. Yeah. We're going to the toilet. Yeah, same. Okay, let's go. Oh, we forgot about you. Why did you forget about me? Well, sorry. I can hold your bag, Mommy, so you can hold both of us. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the other one. My neck, it's hurting. Why is it so rainy? I don't know. We went to the beach, really. That is time. Okay, anyways. I want to go this ride. Let's just check our heights by ourselves. Yeah, we're good. It's gonna start since it starts by itself. Woo! Okay, guys. Oh, a crabbo! A crabbo! Okay, you can go. Yay! Who wants to go first? I want to. Hold your bag, Mommy. I want the turtle. Yeah. No, I want the dolphin. That's what you call it. Yeah. Yay! I want to try. I want the baby shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Hey, it stopped raining, Mommy. Yep. Just pretend it's not there. Pretend that's not there. Yay, I can take this out of my hand. This was so ugly in my hand. I didn't want to carry it. Wait, let me take out the ticket so we have extra room. We have 4 more tickets, whatever. Okay, let's go in to go. Alright, we could just throw them in the trash since we want them. Actually, why don't we put them inside of here and whoever wants to get a ticket has to get it. Hold up, let me go and try this out and then I'll put it back. Oh, you can't get anything, but... Wait, let me go and try. Let me try until I win one. Oh, I got it. That would be so funny. Let's go and spread them out so like if someone wants to get it. Okay, anyways, let's go and put the those in there and yeah. Okay, now it's my turn. I don't want to win the tickets. So, I got the octopus. Okay, Mom, can we go on that ride? They're done. That was so fun. Here, take my bow. I want it. Okay, here you go. Thanks. Let's go in here. There's exactly 4 seats. Okay, let's go. Alright, it starts by itself. Yay! Wow, so much fun! Woo! The best thing ever! Wow! I was getting slowy. Wow! Comment down below if you have ever went to Niagara Falls, Canada. Since it's so fun. Like, literally. Yay! It's so much fun! Oh, it stopped. Okay, let's get off. Oops. Okay, let's go to the other ride. Hi. Hello. You don't have to check your height since I know it's annoying. So, yeah. You want to go on the ride? Yes. Okay, the next one. Your little ones could go in first. Yay. And you'll go on the next. Yay. You'll go in the next one like that. Oh, sorry. I'm just beginning now. Hey, baby. How you been doing? I ain't cooking all day. I ain't your mom. I ain't doing laundry. Free tickets! I need the free tickets. If I don't win them, yay! I'm gonna go and share the surf face and be like, baby, I ain't cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't do your laundry. I ain't your mama. But you are my mama, man. You gotta stop listening to Jennifer Lopez. No. Sorry for the cringy moments that you had to experience in your life. Anyways, I'm gonna get in. Woohoo! I'm gonna go on the ride with I ain't cooking all day. I ain't your mama. That kind of grab. Oi. I ain't cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't doing no laundry. I ain't your mama. But you are my mama, man. You gotta stop listening to Jennifer Lopez. No. Hello. Hi. Ah, I missed it. Okay, let's go. Okay, I will do a part 2, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and bye. See you in my next video. But I ain't cooking all day. I ain't your mama. I ain't doing your laundry. I ain't your mama. I'm so sorry. Bye.